When tickets are created without department-specific IDs, as shown on the left, they are just numbered sequentially. This makes it hard to identify which department is responsible for each ticket. Solution. On the right side, tickets include a department prefix in their ID. Benefits. Instant recognition. The prefix, HR, DS, SS, makes it clear which department owns the ticket. Better organization. Easier to filter, track, and manage tickets by department. Improved accountability. Teams can quickly identify their tasks without confusion. In short, adding department-specific prefixes to ticket IDs ensures clarity and consistency across teams. Let's see how to configure department-specific ticket IDs. Start by clicking Setup. Under Customization, select General Settings. Scroll down until you find Department-Specific Ticket ID. Then click Add Department-Specific Ticket ID. Choose the department you want to configure. Next, set the ticket ID format. You can choose prefix, suffix, or both. Enter the prefix for your ticket IDs. Then provide the next starting number for the sequence. As you fill in these details, you can also preview the ticket ID below to see how it will look. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. That's it. You've successfully configured department-specific ticket IDs. This helps you organize tickets by department and makes them instantly recognizable. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.